Okay, so I've decided to come inside and I've got the Dremel. Now, I've got a Dremel with a flexible shaft, so that's the Dremel here, this bit here, the main bit, and there's this shaft piece that attaches to it, so you can use it more like a pen. It makes it a bit easier, because otherwise trying to hold this big bulky thing for a long time can be a bit tiring on the hands and stuff, so put that over there. And so I've got that, and I'm going to try this out. I wasn't going to use this, but I got a new kit recently of all sorts of different assortments, and I haven't used one of these for a long time, and I thought this might be a good little wheel for making decisions for the lines. And of course, you should wear some safety goggles, and if something breaks off or snaps, you got to protect your eyes. Okay, so the other thing that I was looking at using, if I can find it. No, I can't. Doesn't matter. So we'll give this a go and we'll see what happens. I'm going to stop that for a moment. Now it's working pretty well actually. I've got to tighten this up, but also the battery's about flat, so I'll just put it on the battery charger. Alright, back to it. Alright, I think I've got all the lines. I'll check, I mean I can always go back over. So yeah, made the incisions. As you can see, this is the top part. I made a few little mistakes there earlier with the, you can see the drawing. different squares and things. But anyway, I've got that there. So now I can actually go about doing that under and over. So I'll get my chisel. I've got another chisel just with me here at the moment. It's a much smaller one. The other one actually working pretty well. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I'll just move the camera, I think.